craving for fish, especially for me and me alone. So let's make it. Let's see if it's possible for me to make this fish and enjoy it all by myself. Is that even possible? So let's see how it goes. I've cleaned my fish and washed it thoroughly. Some salt, rub it in. I'm going to rub the salt in, massage the incisions. Once I'm done, I will set it aside. Now let's make the pepper sauce. Bell peppers, onions, garlic, and spring onions. I'm going to deseed it and give it a rough blend. And my scotch bonnet pepper. Oh, nearly forgot. Scotch bonnet pepper. Now let's blend, blend, blend. Now let's chop this one. Now let's make the sauce. Now let's add more vegetable, onion and bell pepper. Some potatoes. Let's add the sauce. Make sure it's well coated with the yummy goodness. I'm going to add my corn. Some salt. And my potato. Just a little bit. More sauce. And the corn. Let me come close.
It's okay.
My preheated oven. 25 to 30 minutes and now let's transfer in the oven. Always what they want. Oh, mama. Always on time. You can do no wrong. Oh, mama. You leave the 99. Always for the one. Oh wow. Look at that. Oh, the potato is soft. It's looking good. Actually, this fish is like mini seafood, right?
Yeah.
Mini seafood. Giving seafood. I said earlier that this is specially for me, but it's not possible. They are back, so we are going to share it because there is love in sharing. I can't even finish it all by myself. Everybody is going to come and dig in. So this is the remaining pepper, lemon sauce. So put more juice in it. Oh my god, this is so good.
Thank you guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.
So good. The most juiciest fish ever. The most juiciest. Yeah.
That's the most juiciest corn as well.
Daniel.
We've walked that horn. Hey, God, I beg you. I'm scared of hot food, but my kids, oh my goodness.
I'll wait for another day. I'm going to request it on the new day.
A special request.
Yeah, I will go under it will go under a special request, guys.
All done.